there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the very first Luxbox, as y'all know, my favorite box out there of 2020. So we're gonna open up the lid if I can. I can't grab the lid for some reason. There we go. Okay, lid is open. Oh, we got the bigger booklet, I forgot. In November we got like the bigger booklet with the items. Then, ooh. Looky here, we got beautiful purple paper, which I'm gonna rip to shreds, and ooh, okay. This is, hopefully nothing will stay. This is the inside of this month's box. What to grab first? Is it me or is it actually not a lot of items in here? Okay, let's just grab this first from Ola's Regenerist. The Retinol 24 Night Serum. Okay. Let's see. Vitamin B3 and retinoid complex. Okay, non-greasy for daily use. Okay, so this is what that little fella looks like. I actually never saw this, so I'm thinking that this is something new because I can't remember seeing this in the drugstore. And as y'all know, my mom is a huge... That was my phone? I could swear I heard my phone going off. Okay. Anyway, what I wanted to say was my mom is a huge Ola's fan. She loves this stuff. Oh, it's plastic. I thought it was glass. This is what that little sucker looks like. It's got that good little... wow, I can't open it. Like the dropper, I wanted to say. Oh, okay. So hopefully you guys are able to see that on camera, but it looks very milky. But there's like nothing in here. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's weird. Yeah, I might have to check the booklet on this one, but as much as I do want to try it out myself, I do know, as y'all pretty much already know, you follow me by now, my mom loves Ola's, Olay, whatever you want to call it, like, so just for the fact that she loves it so much, I'm going to give it to her because, you know, I feel like she wants this. Okay, the Ola's Retinol 24 Night Serum is a full size and it costs... This is redonkulous. A whopping $34.99. Remember, Ola's, Olay, is a brand that is available in the drugstore. So, to pay that much money for drugstore? Okay, so we're going to move on to this. And I think this is something that we already received. And it's actually pretty convenient that it's in here right now because I used mine up on my boyfriend. He used to sunbathe, but like, you know, with the UV lights, not regular sun, which is even worse. And I told him, like, you need to stop. Like, this is not even a question. Like, hell no, you need to stop because it can cause skin cancer and you name it. And I don't want that in my boyfriend, okay? So I told him, like, I will self-tan you because obviously he's a bodybuilder and, you know, they need to be tan or whatever. So I used mine up on him, and I'm actually pretty much empty at this point, so I'm glad that this is in here. And this is from Mind Tan. It's the Everyday Violet color base, and this is what that sucker looks like. Like I said, we already received this, but not, I think, in this particular box, just in a different box. Okay. It's actually the first one. Mind Tan Violet Gradual Tan Foam. It's a full size and it cost €24.95. Okay, moving on to something else in the booklet that I also already own. What the hell? This is Merci Handy Flower Power, the Love and Hand Cream. This is what that fella looks like. So far, I'm not really loving this box, honestly. I'm still not keeping anything, so... the Merci Handy Hand Cream New Wave of Flower Power is a full size and it costs €5. Okay, we're going to move on to Laritzi Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick. You've got to be kidding me. In the color Swoon. Hopefully I'm not going to destroy the box like I usually do, because clearly I'm going to give this away. It's a liquid lipstick. Y'all know I hate liquid. I'm probably the only woman in the world that hates liquid lipsticks and actually loves lip glosses and lipsticks. Like I like them creamy. I don't like the whole dryness situation. Ugh, I hate that. Oh my god, and the color is so freaking beautiful as well. Like, you got to be kidding me. Okay, this is what it looks like, and I'm not really sure if the camera is going to show that or not, but it's red, but it has like this glitter, really, really fine, like pearl shine in there. It's beautiful, and I'm going to give it away because I ain't going to be able to use this. Okay, so let's grab the booklet, and it's over here. Laritzi Swoon Velvet Liquid Lipstick is a full size as well, and the worth is 18 euros. Okay, so far, not really so good. Next up is, what's this? Life is Better in Color, Mine Tan. Oh, again, but not on my hands. Oh, it's a mitt. Yeah, it's a bronze-on applicator mitt. It feels soft, but then again, I already have freaking 3 mitts as we speak, and they're all from Tarte. I don't need a 4th because there's no way I could use 3 at once. So y'all will be, again, seeing this in a giveaway. Wow, this is definitely a bad box for me, man. Mine Tan Bronze-On Applicator mitt is full size. Again, well, clearly it's a mitt, and it's 9.95 euros. Okay, there's a couple of more things in here. One is from Coco Star, which we already received in the past, because I remember this exact one. I had this one, and this is the Tulip Mask Sheet. And as y'all know, these masks aren't your regular masks, because see, it's literally like a flower petal that you have to place on your face, which is cool on one hand, on the other, it's not. Why? Because I cannot, for the love of me, with all of these patches I have a big face, okay? With all of these patches that I do have, I cannot cover my entire face. So certain regions do get moisturized, but others just don't. So this is a cool concept, but in reality, is it good? No, it's not, because you can't cover your entire face. So it's from Coco Star, like I said, the Tulip Slice Mask, full size, and the worth is 6.95. Okay, we've got 2 more items. Box is empty. Okay, so let's see. One mask. I read Mud Masky, and I wanted to say one masky. One item is the Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum. Okay, it's pH balanced, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, and nourishing. Okay, sounds pretty cool. This is what that little fella looks like. Now let me check in the booklet. Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum. Yes, this is a serum. Okay, this is pretty cool because I've never received a serum from Mud Masky, so I'm very excited. It's a full size as well. Wow, I feel like everything in here is full size. And it's okay. Like I need to show you guys this because I ain't kidding y'all. It says over here that the worth is 49 euros. Yeah, 49. I ain't buying it, but see that? 40 freaking 9 euros. I'm not kidding. Like, I'm gonna expect a lot out of that serum. Okay guys, we're down to the last item, which is from Lux Cosmetics. It's the exclusive eyeliner in Magnet Gray. We received an eyeliner from Lux Cosmetics as well, which was gray. And that one was not this one, but like the pencil form. So, you know, you have to sharpen it. And this one is like the, see, the gliding thing. Okay. There we go. This is what it looks like. See over here, it's gray. Let's check the booklet. Lux exclusive eyeliner number 9. Okay. Lux exclusive eyeliner number 19. Magnet Gray is full size again, so everything was full size in this box. And the worth is 18.29 euros. Okay guys, that was it. I just wanted to the booklet. But you know what? Let me just count, because I feel like there weren't really a lot of items in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8? Ooh, that's not really a lot. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I am absolutely horrified with this box. Why? Because basically everything in here is junk that I'm not going to use. I'm sorry, I'm just going to say it. I love the Luxbox. As y'all know, it's my favorite box out there, but this one has got to be the worst box I have ever received from them. Like, let's count out of 8 items, which is already, nah, there should be at least 10, but okay. There's 8 items. Yes, they're all full size, but so what? So what if they're all full size? That should not be an excuse to put in less items than before. It's redonkulous. So I'm absolutely pissed about this box because I paid 30 bucks for this box and I'm keeping, let's count, 1, 2 items. I paid 30 bucks to keep the eyeliner, the Lux eyeliner, and the Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum. Because the tan foam, obviously I use on my boyfriend, I don't use myself. The mitt I'm going to give away. The hand cream I'm going to give away. The Cocoa Star mask, I don't know, I have to decide on that one. But you know what? Let's give it the benefit of the doubt. Let's say I'm keeping that one too. That's 3 items out of 8. The Olaz I'm going to give to my mom, and the Velvet Lipstick I don't use. So that one's going to go away as well. That's not good. Paying 30 bucks for only 3 items? Yeah. I hope the next box is going to be improved, because this is a load of bull. I'm not going to lie. I am not pleased with this at all. In my opinion, this was a waste of my money. Like, I'm not going to lie. You know, even if I was to keep this fella and not give to my mom, that's 4. That's still 4 out of 8 items that I'm going to keep. And on the mask, I still haven't decided. So, yeah. Holy shit. Okay, guys, let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? I feel ripped off because there are only 8 items. Now, I know, the Luxbox can put in 8 items, but I cannot remember a box, because I've been here since the beginning, okay? And I cannot remember a box where we received only 8 items. Like, I literally cannot. So that already sucks. Yes, they're full size, but again, who the hell cares? Third of all, I don't know. Just let me know in the comment section down below. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!